What'd you get? What zeros did you get from the calculator? Wow, that's impressive. Okay, so you got 1, -1. Okay. You were supposed to take those and find the decimal. Okay. So let's let's just assume we did that. Put it in the calculator in case you guys are wondering how she did that. 6x to the fourth minus x cubed minus 7x squared plus x plus 1. Then he graphed it. And Caleb there was able to get all of the 4 of the zeros. If you go to the chart, you can pick up the 2 zeros right away by seeing that where y equals 0, right? So you were supposed to pick those up. And like I said, Caleb went a step farther. He probably used a trace button. So we're going to divide by the first 0, 1. My coefficients, 6, -1, -7, +1, and +1. Okay. I'm going to add these together. Bring down the 6. 6 times 1, +6. -1 plus 6, +5. +5 times 1 is +5. -7 plus 5, -2. -2 times 1, -2. 1 plus -2, -1. -1 times 1 is -1. 1 plus -1 is 0. So my new polynomial here is 6x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 1. So I'm going to use those coefficients for my next division. And I'm going to use -1, my other 0, for 6, 5, -2, and -1. Okay, bring down the 6. 6 times -1, -6. 5 plus -6, -1. -1 times -1 is +1. -2 plus +1 is a -1. -1 times -1 is +1. -1 plus 1, 0. So now I'm down to 6x squared minus x minus 1. Now, you could put this in the quadratic formula, or you could use slide and divide method, right? Or you could be just outstanding factor and use your head, realize, hey, this is going to factor to 3x times 2x, 6x squared. Minus 1 gives me a -3, and a +2 gives me, when I add those together, gives me my -x. So then I actually set each one of those equal to 0. And I solve for x. So I subtract 1, subtract 1. I get 3x equals -1. Divide by 3, divide by 3. I get x equals -1/3. Do the same for this factor. Add 1, add 1. I get 2x equals 1. Divide by 2, and I get x equals half. These are real solutions. That was your negative 0.33 and negative, and your 0.5. Okay, so there aren't any imaginary solutions. These are all real solutions. So that's what I said. It's a little bit of a trick question. My zeros really are 1, negative 1, negative 1/3, and 1/2. Any questions?